If you love riding your bike but are skeptical about taking it out in the rain, I'm here to tell you that you can bid your apprehension goodbye. This is Naved Qureshi and I love riding my bike even in the rains. Just few simple steps and I'm here to tell you about them so you can take your bike anytime on the spin as you like. Give your bike a complete once over. Check that electricals and light are in good shape, tires have sufficient tread, check for any oil leaks. It's nearly impossible to detect them while riding in the rain. Lastly, test your brake on an empty stretch of road to ensure everything is working well. Next, you need to ensure your bike is free from water stains and excess moisture. Spray WD-40 onto chrome parts of your bike and wipe it down in circular motion with a dry cloth. This will get rid of any water residue and rust and add an extra layer of protection from the rains. Speaking of protection from rains, spray your wheels with WD-40 too. This will ensure they are well lubricated and protected from excess water exposure. Speaking of rust, chain is most exposed to rain and is most likely to be affected. To avoid rusting, aging and overexposure to moisture, keep the chain well lubricated and oiled. Liberally spray WD-40 on the surface of the chain while rotating the wheel, let it sit for 10 minutes and wipe off any excess. WD-40 will keep the chain well lubed and prevent moisture buildup and rusting. To keep the chain lubed, spray a generous amount of WD-40 weekly. Overinflate your tires. This can be a little controversial, but I found out pumping your tires a little extra, say around 5 psi, while riding on the wet roads reduces the contact patch of your tires and prevents hydroplaning. That's it guys. With these few simple steps, you can keep your bike safe and take it out anytime you like, even in the monsoons.